Hey guys, so I'm starting this new playlist where I'm doing everyday makeup tutorials. Usually I'll have like my base on, which is just a little bit of concealer, some eyebrows, my eyeshadow already done because that is the hard part in my opinion. But we're gonna use some everyday makeup products just using my fingers, and let's go ahead and start it. So as you can see, I have like a burgundy magenta eye look going on. I'm gonna try to match that a little. This is my travel size mini Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek Stick in the shade Work. And all you do is one circle right on the apples of the cheek, and then use your fingers. Well, actually I use these two fingers and I just kind of blend that out. Just really soft taps, instant kind of color. I usually just kind of go straight down the nose for a mini kind of contour, down the bottom of the lip and on the sides, just to make sure all the product is on the face and there's no more residue on the fingers. So that is the blush. Next, I'm gonna use just a little bit of the KKW medium contour stick, and this is the original where you have two different medium contours on each side. There's a different shade. So this is the medium shades. I'm gonna use actually both shades because I feel like they're both really nice. That is the KKW contour, and it's super natural, and I feel like it's definitely a great everyday product. I'm gonna take it on the ring finger and use the lighter olive shade first. And I like to make sure everything's symmetrical, so when you apply it, make sure that it's blended. Then I just go in the middle, down the middle of the nose, straight, little tip of the nose again, and then the sides of the forehead and contour of the cheeks. I'm gonna do that with the other side as well. This is a more contour shade, the deeper medium shade. So if you want it to be more contoured, then you definitely and as you can see, I immediately created a natural contour. And that's just two of the products that I used in this video. So now we're gonna move on to the highlight. Today I'm going for just a natural kind of glazy highlight because when I have more like deeper tones like this burgundy, muted kind of rosy tones, I don't like to use brighter highlights, even though I love them so much. So we're gonna just do this natural kind of highlight, which I'm obsessed with, and I usually do use this under the eyes as well, but I'll probably make an individual video on this in the future, so stay tuned for that so you can see how I use this in different ways, but we're gonna do it for this everyday video. So this is the Becca Skin Love Glow Glaze Stick, and it is amazing. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a sheer but glowy kind of glow, but it does give you this beautiful kind of glass-like skin without feeling glassy, like very hydrating, and I really love it. So let's apply it. I like to use my pinky to apply my highlights. Right on the Cupid's bow. tip of the nose, instant shine. In the middle of the eyes. That definitely helps a lot. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit on the brow bone. And then I literally just 1, 2, 1, 2. And again, use my pinky to just kind of softly swipe it up onto the cheeks. And instantly, healthy, glowing, beautiful skin. This is a must-have. Definitely one of my favorites. So lastly, to complete this everyday look with everyday products, I'm gonna just contour my lips quickly with my Colourpop Lippie pencil in the shade BFF, which is definitely a natural kind of shade. And just go instantly fuller, and it's just one of those natural shades that you definitely have to have. And I'm gonna top that off with a sheer lip shine by Burt, and this is in the shade Peachy. So this definitely has like a smell to it. Immediately you smell this fruit juice box kind of smell when you put this on. It's super comfortable. It's definitely an everyday product in my opinion again, and when you do have like more of a colorful, bold kind of look on the eyes, I think it's best to just kind of use a sheer lip or a nude lip. Nudes also can be bold, so sheer is the way to go for natural look. This is my complete everyday look, super simple, super easy. I'm gonna be doing a lot more of these because that's what I do personally, and on most days when I'm not doing really kind of full glam, not full glam, soft glam, minimalist kind of makeup, I'm doing this. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helped you out. If you are just like me and you do have some lazy girl day makeup days, but you kind of still want to look cute, and yeah, I'm feeling this look. My hair is up by one of these clips, so maybe I'll go to the beach today with my dogs or something. But that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my other playlists, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys.